Necessity is truly the mother of invention, and when the standard product line of trench or slotted drains isn't quite up to par, there's no need to compromise. You can rely on Eric'sons to provide custom solutions for every application. We offer custom fabrications and provide everything from trench drains that buck grade to slot drains created in a true radius, or even a combination of the two. If you can dream it, Eric'sons has probably already made it happen. Now, the inventor of Dura Trench, Robert Finn, President and CEO of Eric'sons.
So why do you want to use Dura Trench over any other brand of trench drain? We started out as installers of all the different brands of trench drain. We've installed ACO, J.R. Smith, Zern, NDS, Polycast, ABT, you name it. We've installed at Contech. I mean, every single brand out there, we've had a lot of experience. We've installed thousands of feet of every brand. And over the course of that time, we learned that each product has its good features and its bad features. What we did is we created Dura Trench to pull all those good features and try to put them all in one product. The reason Dura Trench installs faster is because there's large sections that aren't fragile. You can drop them, you can pull them off the pallet, they're not going to break on you, they're really straight, they don't have warpage in them, they come just truly straight and level. There's nothing else required other than putting the two sections together. The next biggest feature that you're going to like as an installer is all the installation brackets are already included on the product. They don't come in baggies, they're not plastic, they don't break off, they're attached to the product and they're made out of metal. You can drive a piece of rebar down to hold it on line and grade without having to worry about the thing breaking off on you. And the final thing that really makes Dura Trench fast is having plywood in the top. As installers, we always put plywood in the top of the trenches to keep the concrete out and to give us a place to run bracing to keep the trench straight. It shouldn't be something you have to do in the field. Let's face it, we can cut it faster in the factory than you can do it in the field. All the features and benefits were developed from an installer's perspective. Years of experience taught us that certain things work better than others, and some of those things that really work well are, one, you want long sections. The shorter the section, the more likely the trench is to look wavy and like a snake. We've all seen those trenches. Also, those trench sections, when they're longer, they have fewer joints. There's less sealing. You'd have to seal less joints. There's fewer opportunities to make mistakes. And the longer sections just flat out install faster. There's fewer installation devices that you have to deal with on each piece. One of my favorite features about the Dura Trench product is when it shows up to the job site, there's not 1,000 boxes full of parts and pieces that have to be assembled. Everything's already put together. The only parts that aren't already assembled and factory attached are the grates and the locking devices. When you finally get the trench installed and you're ready to connect up the outlet pipe, you don't have to look around to find fittings that have to be glued on and cutting open holes. The outlet pipes are factory attached, ready to go. All you have to do is slide your pipe over it, and it's actual pipe. You don't have to have some rubber couplings, things like that. You can use a standard coupling if you want. There's nothing else required. All the pipes are molded into the product and cast into the product and applied at the factory. So there's no cutting of end plates, no attaching of outlets. It's just another step that saves you a considerable amount of time in the field. One other place where you'll find the Dura Trench is considerably faster than the competition is when you have turns or tees or other fabrications that have to be done. These are all done in the factory. They come out as a single connected piece that has a smooth invert and flow line, so you won't have to do any field fabrication, cutting, and trying to mend joints back together in the field that never end up correct. The reality of it is we can do those things in the shop for you much better and more precise than you can do them in the field. So this is just another reason why the Dura Trench is so much faster. At every turn and tee, those are just like installing any other piece. Whereas with other products, you can spend hours trying to field fabricate those turns. So why not demand the proper features and benefits out of your trench drain system?